So you can see the text over there, as I say. The point number one is the people, the opposite people or the teammates, they have to, out of the heart, appreciate whenever a person does good thing in the match. Let's say, for example, they pick up the ball very swiftly, or they pick up the ball in a very scrutinized basis. The appreciator has to say with the statement. Let's say, "Good job, Kavin. I am so happy that very good. We really appreciate you for going and pick up the ball." So likewise, the appreciation has to be very, very lengthy. So the first point is appreciation should be lengthy. Second one, the bowler has to be taught by the fielder, or the batsman has to be taught by the co-batsman, vice versa. And at any given point of time, even if it is going to be a penultimate time when they are going to get lost, they are not supposed to lose the faith. Come on, my dear boys, we can still do it. Come on, we can really do it. Likewise, the cheering up statement has to be till the last moment. And even if, like, say, only one run needed, 2 hours left, even in that moment, the teammates have to be with complete spirit, because it is called as go down fighting. Go down fighting. Even if you are falling down the soil, you fight, you keep on fighting, and then you fall down. Likewise. So, go down fighting attitude has to be adopted. That is second point. So far, are you clear? Can I get the quick stock? What is the first point?
Appreciation
should be lengthy. Okay. Second one is go down fighting. Don't give up the spirit. Okay. So the third one is there will be something called as in IPL, it is called as STO, strategic timeout. So I will give strategic timeout. Besides being the opposite team's owner, or besides being the current, I will be giving the strategic team timeout. In the strategic timeout, they will have to immediately go and have a premier discussion. Everybody should be given a proper metric. Exclusively, the captain should lead the strategic timeout. Okay, so we are given to understand that Kavin will be captain of a team. We will decide about who is going to be the next one. So the third point is strategic timeout. Adopt to the strategic timeout. And the fourth one is constructive criticism has to be given. When I say constructive criticism, it means the person can say you are supposed to change this. It has to be said louder, but at the same time it should be said as if the person is not getting hurt. Okay, so the person should not get hurt. If, let's say, for example, if Vedoshan wants to give an input to Mitra, you are throwing very, very slow, it becomes easy for the batsman. So why don't you believe more on your elbow strength and throw more fast? This kind of statement has to be there. So failing in these 4 points will earn negative points, negative mark. I'm not going to carry coins, but I will be saying, okay, Nagalan, your negative point score is this much. Kavin, your negative point score is this much. Ultimately, in the discussion time, we'll take stock of all this. These are the points I want to drop at. Okay. So as time progresses, first of all, I had 7 in my mind, but I have only announced 4. So let me see how far you are adopting these 4 first, and at the later point of the games, day after tomorrow or in the next week, we will have 3 more points.
Okay.
Alright? Yes. So one last time before we close the camera and get to the field, point number 1. Appreciation should be lengthy. Point number 2. Never give up faith until the last moment. Number 3. Strategic timeout will be given at any given point of time. Anybody can ask for strategic time.
Okay.
Apart from what I'm saying. And the last but not the least, the 4th point is. What is the 4th point?
It's not going to wait. You should say something.
Constructive criticism. Even if you are criticizing, you have to be very polite, and you are not supposed to take control of anything else. Alright? Okay? We'll see how far the boys are really starting up in the game. Thank you.